Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Code for Kids. How are you all? How was your day? I hope you are enjoying your day. So in this video we are going to learn about piano project, okay? This is our piano tiles project. It is like a normally what we have a piano, it is working like a same. You will get everything here same, okay? So for that, first I will run this project. I will show you what output you will get here. So we need to just click on red button. Now as you can see this is notes, right? So if I will click here, you will get some sound like this. Okay. Even here also we will get the sound. So it is like sa re ga ma pa da ni sa. It is like that. So now we will see how you will create this. If you want to create this project, so which sprite we will require here and which backdrop. Now first we will see the backdrop. So we have only one backdrop which is blue, plain blue color. Now we will see the sprite. So first we have our first sprite which is node C. This is our node C. Then we have a second one which is node C hash. Then we have node T hash. Then we have node E. After that, we have node EF, node F hash, node G hash. Then we have H. Okay. Then we have A, B, and node C8. So this is just a nodes. So how we will create our sprite? So this is very simple. Like we need, I will show you. You need to just add like this. Okay, like blocks. So here we have this black one. So as you can see, the sprite adding part is very simple here. Now let's see the coding part. So we will start from node F, like our first sprite, which is node C. This is our first sprite. So first, if you want to create this piano, first we are going to add a extension, which is our music. So we need to just click on this blue, which is add extension, and we will select music. So you will get all the music thing, like you can play the drum, you can take a rest, you can play the note, we can set the instrument, we can set the tempo, everything we will do. Now we will see our first part for node C. Like when the sprite is clicked, like if I will click on node C. So first thing we want to go to this particular position. Like we need to just go to the motion. We will take this block, which is go to X and Y. Means this position. Suppose particularly if I will take the block here. And if you will run this, if you will click here, you will get your sprite here. Okay, that's why we are using this code to X. After that, we have a two costume here, as you can see, C1 and C2. Okay, the first we have in white and the second we have little bit gray color, right? So like if I will click, so you will get one animation here like this little blink, which is like a we have a gray color. We need to just wait for little bit like or 0.1 second, and then we will switch costume to your C1. Okay, then we need to just go to the music. We have to set the instrument like this one. Instead of piano, we have to go to the variable. We will create one variable which is which instrument. Okay, so here if you will click on this, so the instrument is 4. If I will click here, if you will click here, so you will get the instruments. Okay, and then if you will scroll down here, we need to play the note, which is this. So here, if you want, see, we need to add this because this is our first one. Okay, so you will get this music here. And here, what beat we want, we can add. And then we will set our instrument to the piano. Okay, so this is our first part. Now we will see for note C sharp, which is this. So again here when this sprite is click. So first we need to switch the costumes. So here also we have a two costume. This is our first. This gray color is the second. So initially we want black color. We need to just wait for a second and then we will add your second one. And then we need to set our instrument again. And now the note is this, which is our 61. Now see, we have to do for note D. Okay. So what is our note D? As you can see, this one. So again, when this sprite is split, as you can see, we need to just switch the costume. We have to wait for a second and then we will switch our costume to as a white. And again, we need to set a instrument. Now you need to only change your play note. So now we have this play note. After that, we will do for note D sharp, which is this. So again, only you have to do one change, which is you need to add your note as a this one because here we have a different sound. Now we will see the next one which is noti. Everything is same in every sprite. Only what is the changes here? We need to just change our play note. Now after this we will select this, then this one, then we have this, then this. Okay. So like that we need to add. So if you will see this, by seeing this you can add all your sprites, right? This is our first sprite, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So total we are going to add 13 sprites here. And every coding is same in every sprite. Only what is the changes? We need to just change our play note. So in this way we can create our piano tiles project. Okay. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe our channel which is Code for Kids. And press the bell icon if you want more latest update. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye bye. Take care.